Here at home, a Utica man is accused, along with 5 others, of helping ISIS. The federal indictment against 6 people has been covered by the national media.
That's right. So tonight we're going to tell you exactly how Nihad Rosic and the others are accused of helping ISIS. And we're going to hear from a longtime former friend of the accused terrorist supporter. News Channel 2's Jolene Ferris joining us now. Jolene.
Thank you, Don. One thing we're hearing again and again in the Bosnian community is that Nihad Rosic was brainwashed. By whom is the question. Selvedin Nuhanovic has known Rosic for around 10 years. He says he drove a truck for a living, had children here in Utica, and was very into MMA, mixed martial arts. This man says he was absolutely shocked when he heard his friend of around 10 years was accused of supporting terrorists and conspiring to kill.
We used to be really close friends from probably age of 17, 18 to 21, 22. And we always used to be around cars and like really close friends. And at that age, he was a really nice kid, always stayed out of trouble and nobody knew him as a bad kid.
We've heard this phrase, giving material support to terrorists. Specifically, Nihad Rosic and others are accused of sending money, rifle scopes, firearm accessories, U.S. military uniforms, and first aid supplies to terrorist organizations. Coming up new at 6, we'll hear from members of the Bosnian community who fear that because of this arrest, people will assume that all Bosnian Muslims are radical terrorists, not the peaceful, hardworking people they really are. They're asking not to be judged by the actions of a few. Live in the studio, Jolene Ferris, News Channel 2.